about a month into suffering with my liver, I was really poorly with it, that my hair started to fall out. But you know when you're really, really poorly that you're not even really focusing on your hair. I was bedridden, I wasn't really eating, I wasn't really functioning as normal. And then I saw a patch at the back. And that was a shock, of course. And then from there, it started to fall out kind of underneath on each side. And it started to go very quickly. So it was coming out in handfuls, it was coming out in the shower. When I would wake up in the morning, it would be on my pillow. And actually looking back, it's a bit of a blur, because it was one of those moments that you think, this can't be happening to me. The reality was, it wasn't growing back. And that was hard. That was really hard. And it still is hard. But you can either, you dealt these cards and it's how you cope as a woman, and you can either sink or you can keep swimming, and you can make the most of a bad situation. And we have no choice in the matter, losing our hair as a woman. And you lose your identity, your confidence. And I just thought, there is no way that this is going to take over my life. I thought, no way, Alopecia, you're not going to control me. On holiday, when it's really hot, I've gone bald many times, and you see the sniggering, you see the people staring, and I've had people come up to me and ask me how my cancer treatment's going, what cancer do I have, and that kind of takes you back a lot. I just make the most of every day, and I get up every day no matter what, and I will put my makeup on and I will put my wigs on, and I feel good, I feel good, and I try and feel confident. Like all women, doesn't matter if we have hair or no hair, we have days where we don't feel confident, but I think it's what you believe in here and up here.